Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the new fees that Tesla will be charging pretty soon. It's called the congestion fees. So basically, just like this title stated, Tesla congestion fees bills $1 a minute to charge your car past 90%. So as you guys know, and probably you guys are aware of it, Tesla is right now they're opened up their supercharger to pretty much to any automaker that wants to use it. So a lot of automakers out there that are signing up with Tesla. And so this is one of the ways that they're going to help eliminate, or that will have people, not hogging the charger, right? So, and we all know that anytime that you charge up to like 80%, and from 80 to 100, it will take forever to charge. So I think this will make sense, you know what I mean? Because, by up to 80%, it will reach more than enough for you need to go anywhere you want to go. And while the other people are waiting, rather than they got to wait another 20 minutes for you to hit another 20% to make it 100%, right? So fair enough, right? So what is the difference between the congestion fees? So that is the congestion fees and the idle fees. So Tesla idle fee is when you charge your vehicle. Let's say if you set up to 80% or 100% and it's completely charged and you're not moving your vehicle. You're busy in the having lunch, having dinner, or wherever you're at. So and you're taking the space of another vehicle that could possibly charge at the same time. So that is a idle fee. So this is a little bit different. Okay. So I don't know what you guys think about this, but honestly, I really like the idea of it, and I'm all for it. But let me know what you guys think. But that's pretty much it about this article, guys. So thank you for watching. If you guys like the videos, give me a like. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel for more Tesla EVs and promotion video. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.